It's the first thing that people see.
It's like the first line of defense to their personal safety, the safety of their possessions.
Garage doors are a symbol of home and family.
It's got to look great. It's got to be functional. Quality is very important. Metro Garage Door, we're a full-service garage door company.
We have been in business for 45 years, but we are in the forefront of trying to legitimize our industry with quality professional technicians.
What sets us apart? Definitely our people. We hold ourselves to a very high standard.
I want to show up to a job and take care of everything for them, and then I want them to enjoy their door. I want them to understand how it works, and I want them to know what to look for in the future to be prepared and protected.
I was a teacher in a previous career, and so helping people to learn, solving problems is a big part of what drives me. We work hard to get all of our techs IDEA certified.
It just gives a lot of professionalism and also just gives a lot of I think, peace of mind.
All of our techs are quirky and they have a personality.
We will show the customer what needs immediate attention. We'll inform them of things that will eventually come across.
Customer satisfaction to Metro is extremely important. Once they work with us, they tend to stay for a very long time.
We know that their business means a lot to them, and we want to make sure that they have continuity of business year-round.
We are going to do the very best that we absolutely can to make sure that your door is safe and running properly.
I don't think the world needs another garage door company if they're not doing it better. We have this great office staff and great support system for them that I really feel like we have the best technician team in the Midwest, maybe anywhere.